sneaking to me. Okay, leave me now.
What?
Leave me.
I will never leave you.
I will scatter you people.
For what?
I will scatter you people.
Yeah, scatter me.
Hey.
What be saying once a
Okay.
Scatter me. Are you okay? I am the first daughter of this family. The first fruit. I am your elder sister. And you must know that. Okay.
I'm the first son of this family. No one comes to my plantain without my permission. Yeah. I will not. Leave this in. Take my clothes, oh. Don't take my clothes.
What is it again today? Huh? What is it again? What is it again today? Give me the plantain. Give me the plantain. I won't leave it. Give it to me. I won't leave it. I won't leave it. Stop! Only you go mad. Stop! You people should stop.
I just want to praise you, Lord. I will magnify. Yes.
Your breakfast is ready.
I sure I can't eat now. I'm already running late.
Running late? How? But you just got a new sales girl.
That's the more reason I should go. Because she doesn't know anything. I have to go to the shop to guide her.
Okay. You see what I'm telling you? Eh? Why don't you get a boy? A sales boy. Yes. Get a boy and teach him this trade. After 2 or 3 years, you will settle him. Eh? Every day new sales girl. Today new sales girl. Tomorrow new sales girl. Don't you know they will be stealing your money? Capital and about you.
Did you just say a boy?
Yes.
No, they're even worse. I'll be in my shop and he will build 2 shops outside. They're the ones who will steal my money. I prefer girls, so girls are better. They can learn much more easily than boys. Eh? See, I'm running late. Let me go to the shop. When I come back, I will eat.
Okay. Which soup will you want to eat in the evening?
I'm in a hurry. Let me go.
Ayoma.
It's true that you are the first daughter of the family. But Kenny here is the man of the house.
Cheer. God bless you, Cheer. God bless you.
Cheers. So, this is what you have to say. Eh? Is this what you will say?
We have been saying this all the time. Eh? You and your sister Ozioma have been married. If not that, you and your sister, we are not lucky with marriage. You will be in your husband's house now. Whatever you people want from your father's house or your late father's plantation, you have to ask Ekene first. They are all his inheritance as the first and the only son of the family.
Hey, so,
yes.
Ichie, because we are women, we are not human beings, okay?
I didn't say that.
So what are you saying?
This is Igbo tradition.
And so?
This is Igbo tradition. Women don't have share in their father's property, especially the landed ones.
Or before Koketa.
You cannot be fighting over land, Ichie.
You've said this before. You don't need to always repeat yourself. They all know that. Yeah? Did anyone ask you to leave your husband's houses? Yeah? You're here dragging my inheritance with me. Yeah? Who are you? Iche, let me say this. Let this sound as last warning. I'm not going to say it again.
So they won't say Ekene is beating his elder sister and younger sister. I will scatter people. Let this end, though.
Ekene?
Huh.
Ekene, you said you will beat me.
Mercilessly.
Mobi fe you want zekwe.
Ntiriko.
Hey!
Bogu jimano.
Ichie. Ekene said he will beat me.
And beat me too.
No problem.
Hey.
Moba dan zekwe no mudim.
Bogu jibonde Enugu State.
No problem.
Who now? Two of you.
Ekene,
Don't worry.
hold on. I am coming. Eh?
Let it
Imani ne kwoku. Chefo no nwe hebi isi nwokpo. No problem. No problem. You will beat me, okay?
Come make also.
No problem.
No, let it happen again.
It's okay now.
Let it happen again.
Hold on. Ife Yunwa is coming. Eh?
Let it happen again.
I will blast like bomb.
No.
This is
Let it happen again.
This is unfair. This is not nice. Iche, this is not nice. This is very sad. You want to beat me? Can I want to beat me?
I'll just see
Can
you.
I? Oh yes, yeah. Beat me.
I'll
Can
scatter
I
you.
please
Scatter you.
scatter me?
I'll just press you and squeeze your neck.
Hear me now. Can I?
Ozioma, what do you want me to do?
Beat me now.
Let it happen again.
Beat me.
Come, Ozioma. What do you want me to do?
Now.
Uncle, this is
I said, what do you want?
Uncle,
It's
one house.
not fair that you people
Uncle,
should
one
come
house.
back from your husband's house
Uncle.
and start dragging things with your brother.
Uncle.
Stop!
Uncle.
Stop! 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 Hey! It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Keep the share. Keep the phone. Keep the phone. Keep the phone. Keep the phone.
Look at my inheritance.
Keep the phone.
You are cutting my
Leave them.
inheritance.
They are women.
Oh my God.
They are women. Come.
Hey. Uncle, wait.
This is
Hey, she just cut my inheritance. Hey.
In Africa. I want you to do it with me. I don't mind. Idiot. Get out. Come on. Can I take the plantain? Can I take plantain? Carry it.
Life will teach you a lesson. It's up to you to learn.
Please, leave me alone. Leave me. Oga, why are you doing this now? What is the meaning of this?
What are you talking about? What do you mean by what's the meaning of this? Did I tell you that as long as you're in this shop as a sales girl, that you must be making me happy?
Yes, Oga. Making you happy by selling your goods very well and taking good care of your shop. How easy will me to make you happy?
This girl, are you a child? Don't you know what it means to make somebody happy? That means that you and I will be loving each other.
Oga, you're a married man and besides you are my boss. I can't do something like that. My conscience will kill me.
You must be mad. What conscience? Do you have a conscience? Don't you have a boyfriend on your street? Are you innocent? Are you a virgin? Eh? Are you a virgin? Can't even answer that question. Anyway, see, the only reason you will remain here as a sales girl is when you make me happy and do exactly what I've told you to do. If not, you will leave my shop this minute.
Oga.
And you will leave that shop today.
Oga, it hasn't gotten to that. Oga, please. Oga, I'm very sorry. Oga, please. Don't ask me to do it. I will keep your shop very safe, but I can't do what you are asking. Please. Oga, please. Don't sack me. My family and I really need this job.
No, you don't need the job. Because if you truly need it, you will do exactly what I asked you to do. And the only way to prove it is that after today, you must follow me in the evening to that hotel so that you can prove that you need this job.
I can't do what you are asking me to do, please.
You can't do it. Okay, leave my shop. Take your things and leave my shop. Come
Oga,
on.
please now, please. Oga, please.
I said leave my shop. Take your things and leave my shop immediately. Think I'm joking? Look at somebody I want to help. Take your things, leave my shop. You can't make me happy. Me, I want to help you. You don't want to help yourself. Leave my shop now. Take your things. There's no please in my dictionary. I've told you that before. I said leave my shop. What is wrong with you? Come on, leave my shop. You think I'm here to do Father Christmas? Leave my shop. Leave my shop. Can you imagine? This foolish girl that I just want to help. Out of better. Say you think I'm just here. And to think that I even rushed out of the house without eating to come and meet this foolish girl who won't even cooperate with me. Nonsense. And there are many sales girls on the road waiting for who will take them. Eh? She has now put me on only not to do anything.
Sister, what happened? Don't tell me you didn't get the job.
Oh God, what would you have me do? What would you want me to do? Where are you even going to?
I want to go and get drug for Mama. Her sickness has started again.
Eh? Oh, not again now. Not now. What is happening? Why?
What do we even do now that you can't even get a job? How do we even survive?
Oh God, just go and get the drugs. Let me go and take care of Mama. Go, come back now.
Okay.
Hurry up, oh.
Okay,
let me go and take care of her.
Okay, I'm coming now.
There must be a way. Oh. What is all this one, eh? Which kind of suffer is this? Oh. Mama, every time you are falling sick. What kind of thing is this? You're falling sick.
What is this now? For how long will I endure this from them? For how long? Eh?
Calm down. Kene, calm down. You don't have to fight with them.
For how long will I take this from them? For how long?
Oh, Biko, please. Child, God. We don't want this in this family. This is not... We don't want it.
Iche, I'm coming down because they are women. But they are really pushing me to the wall. They are pushing me. What is this now? What is this?
Biko, don't do it. Hey. Don't do it, I beg.
Iche, if you elders cannot do anything about this, I am going to do what is in my mind. In fact, I'm going to send all of them out of this house because this house is now my own. Don't
do it. Okay? Kene, don't do it. We will call for a meeting.
Iche, you better do. You better do, because I'm very, very angry now. What? Iche, can you imagine what she did to that plantain?
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. He gets whiskey bully now.
You push me. I'm not that man. Oh. You push me down. Biko, wait to me. Oh, wait to me.
Hey! Compassion, Mama! Mama, I made it! So this thing is finally over. I miss you. I miss you more, my daughter. Honestly. Mama, did you cook? My dear, I wanted to prepare plantain porridge. But the plantain I bought from Kene, he's here to bring it. I don't know what he's holding. My baby, Ma is it? Wait, let me take your bag inside. Let me go and check. No, let me go. No. I don't want to start this argument with you now. You just came back. Go and drop your bag. Oh yeah, go inside. Oh yeah, go. I'm coming. Oh, everyone. Maria, let me go. Waiting for me. Hey, Mama, Papa, Nata. Papa, shon. Woo.
God will make a way for us one day. Mama, why is this life so hard for us? Eh? Why must we suffer so much before we can get anything in this country? How can somebody suffer to go to school and still suffer to get money? Mama, is it fair? Eh?
It will be alright, okay? Just make sure you keep your hands straight.
Mama, when I think about our situation, when I remember our condition in this village, Mama, I start thinking of all these things this girl are doing. Let me do, if our condition can get better. Huh? Yes, now.
My daughter, please, don't ever try it. Did you hear me? Oh, Mama, back.
Oh, God.
Mama, Johnson said we should not come to collect drugs again if we don't pay off for the ones we have taken.
Hi. Johnson should be patient for us now.
Mama.
What is all this?
Mama, how much are we owing Johnson that is embarrassing Ogonna like that?
Ogonna will say better. She has been the one going there to collect drugs.
Sister, it's just 2,500 naira.
Mama? Hey, God. Mama, you see what I was telling you just now? You mean come on 2,500 naira? 2,500 naira, Mama. That is why it's embarrassing Ogonna like this.
Sister, it's okay. But how can you say that there is no job in the city? Even if it's a sales girl's job.
Ogonna, you want to tell me that I will see sales girl work and I'll be here with you in this village?
I'm just pitying Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry, because I will keep fighting. Mama, I promise you, I will keep fighting. I will be looking for a job. I will get a job. Mama, our condition will improve. Mama, we'll leave this village. Mama, you will get better. Oh God, everything will be better. Mama will be better. Mama, you'll be fine. Nothing will happen to Mama, you'll be fine. Mama.
I will deal with Kenechukwu. I will tell him that I am his elder sister. I will show Kenechukwu that when I started seeing my monthly cycle as a woman, Kenechukwu was still roaming the village, playing with sand naked.
Sister, don't worry. We have to show Kene that we are women. We need to show him that we are women.
Leave Kene for me. Leave Kenechukwu for me. Messia Kenechukwu henge in this village, He will know that I am Ada. Wakbo. Is he Wakbo like me?
Hey, can you imagine? So because we are not in our husband's house, we cannot stay in our father's house in peace. What kind of thing is this now? Is it a crime? Okay. Did we kill somebody?
I said, don't worry. I will tell Kenechukwu that African salad can kill African man.
Amaka.
Ami baby. Ami baby.
See this fine girl.
Ami baby. Ijia.
Thank you, my sister. Guys, look good though. You look better. Hey, you are eating my money. Hey, girl.
You are eating my money. Which one? That peanut you used to sell. Nah, don't insult yourself. Don't just insult yourself.
Hey.
My sister, you eating my money. Peanut innocent. Stop saying this thing. Let look at it.
Amaka, how are you?
I am fine though. How are you people?
My sister, fine girl.
Take it away.
I'm fine now.
If we're gonna in, I mean we are fine, but we are not fine. But don't worry.
What is it again?
Don't worry.
Hey, by the way, when I was coming back, I saw brother Kenechukwu. I greeted him. He did not even answer me very well.
Don't worry yourself. You are back.
Okay, what is happening?
Just relax. We'll tell you everything. Don't worry yourself.
Odogu, I've always told you to leave the girls and go for the boys. Boys that can serve you for a long time. And then you settle them. And you know there's this joy in knowing that you can call someone tomorrow your boy. You know, instead of girls that will end up ruining your business.
Harry, I've heard what you said. But me, I prefer girls to boys. I will not take boys who are going to build upstairs on top of my wife. Because once you have boys, consider your wife in danger. You are talking as if you have forgotten what happened to Oke's wife and the servant. I can't take that kind of risk. I will just stick with my girls. Period.
Forget about that. What happened between Oke's wife and the servant does not happen all the time.
Wow.
The woman messed herself up. And now she's gone.
That's true.
So who is losing? I'm talking about serious, hard-working boys that will hustle to boom your business. Huh? Instead of girls that will end up taking your money and giving to their boyfriend. And you'll be in trouble. So.
You know, Henry, you've always told me that
Yes.
I like women. Yes, I prefer them to boys, like I said. Because all those boys are very, very dangerous. But the problem I have now is that all those ones I always employ, none of them likes me. Why?
That is good for you. Don't you know that dating your sales girls will bring yourself low? You will bring yourself down. Emaro. You're bringing yourself down.
How?
You're a very rich man. And I know you like women just like I do. So why don't you go out there and get yourself one? And let me tell you, there are so many girls that will rush you. Can you be a Peter Slack again? I almost sales girl.
No matter what you have said, I still like women. I still like them. These boys now, boss half here, they will do build upstairs on top of you and you will not even know. I'm telling you.
Remember your business. They will
Yes, see,
run your business.
you need these girls. I like those ones that are very young. Gone to Togo, no go. It's not every day I'm with my wife in the house. My wife has now gone so far that I can't even.
Anyway.
Those girls are good. Not those boys that will.
Anyway, Pino is in your pocket.
Yeah, now that's what you're talking. I have the money.
These people will ruin your business.
They will not ruin any business.
Mama, this is what I pass through every day. I'm telling you the truth. If not for Ichie Eze, what I would have done to them, this whole village will gather for us. I'm telling you the truth.
It's okay, give me back my money. So
don't be angry. I promise you, once the other ones get ripe, I'll get the 2 bunches for you. For free. Oh, what my future mother-in-law came.
You may now go because
Baby, who am I seeing?
Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. Mama, you didn't tell me.
So you're in there?
Yes.
When did you come back?
I just came back now. I just went inside to change my clothes and I heard a voice and said, that sounds like my baby.
Look at you. Nice to see you.
Baby. Come and sit down. I was even planning to come.
I was about going, I was just about going.
Sit down.
When did you come back?
This is not fair. Eh? But I should stop this thing he's doing. He needs to stop it. I don't know, man.
You see it now. You see it. But we'll show him. We will show him that we're women. We will show Kene.
Hi. When I'm done dealing with Kenechku, Kene will know that I am his elder sister. That I am the first daughter in this Nzekwe's compound. If I want, I can decide not to get married again in my life and stay back in Papa's house and get my own share of the property. Marriage is not by force, work or by force. It's not by force. Don't worry. I know what to do.
Sister, anyway, that's why I'm here. I have good news.
Hey, please tell us what
good news.
Yes, so
someone will be coming here tomorrow to see you people. And if I am lucky, I will be getting married soon.
My husband matter. Yes. I went to the city and came back with a husband. Oh yes. Hey, hey man.
Baby. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Telling us the good news like this. Amaka? Don't you know that we are now the Umada? You're supposed to share the news with some bottles of Ifedele. You want to go? Get the phone and start. You may tell them with red wine or balance.
Hey, sister, my own sister.
Let me know.
Don't worry. Later, I will give you people drinks. If I'm not the one, don't worry.
Upper polite insult. Upper polite insult. don't
But
want
it's
it.
the truth now.
So tell me, this man that is coming for your hand in marriage, who is he? What does he do for a living?
What does he work?
Where is he from? Chiwagash.
Hey!
With the altar.
Sister,
Are you the one talking?
but no, take a look at your sister. What you got the loaded? I did my point.
So any man I am bringing to you people, it was him and all them porn.
Baby.
Anyway, he is from Ofuma town.
Ufuma nkanye.
Sister, you know the place?
Why not? Ufuma borum banotun. See Ufuma nenu munzanya.
Onyeje.
I have been around.
Onyeje.
I have been around. Onye nkanye kobo.
And he works with Central Bank of Nigeria. Wait.
Hey! Is it like?
Is it true?
Hey, Amaka!
Wait. Central Bank of Nigeria, Obriabu CBN.
Oh, yeah, no.
CBN. So he prints money. Real money. Me now that real for 5 million.
Don't eat my husband. Very clear, my husband.
That's the only way we can eat.
In my end, I like eating man.
Because now, this is our time to eat the money.
Oh,
Mark, can you?
Take your time.
This is so unfair. How long would they continue to do this to you? When would they realize that you are the first son?
I don't know. But trust me, I've decided to give it back to them.
Baby, I'm scared. I don't know what will happen when we finally get married.
Scared of what? Yeah? I'll just injure someone. When it comes to you, I'll just kill someone. Don't let that bother you at all. Or are you trying to change your mind because of that?
No, baby. See, I love you. Of course I do. And I don't have any regret. Besides, there are women like me. And if they think they are stubborn, I may call it stubborn. As long as I don't look for their trouble.
Now you're talking.
They are good.
So, Kenna, you're still here? Oh, yeah. Inside, let's go and look for something to cook.
Mama, can't you see I'm talking with my boy?
Shut up your mouth. Let thunder strike that to your mouth for telling me that. So if you had not come back, you wouldn't have seen him, or would you have seen him to talk with him? Oh yeah, inside.
Mama, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
Look at this girl. I say go inside. See, Kenna, don't say that I've insulted you. Please get away from my compound now.
It's okay. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Okay? Take care. Huh? Just take care. I'll see you.
Baby. Hey, Utosha, inside.
Mama, today I just came back.
Baby. Oh. Norma, what is wrong with you?
Mama, leave me. Oh. Mama, leave me. Why do you want me to regret coming back to this house? No, why? See, my mate stayed back in Jos to look for a job, and I'm here now. You're doing all these things. I don't like it.
Kati, did you come back because of me? Did your brothers not tell you to stay back with them so you can be going to the shop with them? Did you go? You came back because of that useless village boy called Ekene. Let me tell you, you better start deleting whatever thing you have with Ekene, because it's not going to work. I would rather die than to see it work. I'm ready for you.
Mama, what? Mama, what did you say?
You heard me right.
Then I'm ready to die too. Yes.
Eh?
Mama, tell me, what did Ekene ever done to you? What? Tell me.
Did I hear you would die too?
So, akaka itizile no. Bwachalo. Makwagi no go dear kambo.
Mama, listen to me. I will not marry any other person except for Mekene. Yes, I won't. You just have to do what you have to do.
Let's watch and see. No fear.
Honey?
Oh, mercy.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. Hey.
So tiring. I've had a hectic day.
Sorry. How is the new girl? I hope she's learning.
New girl. The girl that I've already sacked. The girl is just an idiot. Telling you.
The new girl that you just employed, you've sacked her already.
That girl didn't come to work. She came to steal. Can you imagine that I caught her red-handed trying to steal all the money in the shop? Oh, that was why I was rushing that time. In the morning when I said I didn't want to eat. If I hadn't gone there then, she would have raided the entire shop. I was just lucky to have caught her.
You see? You see what I'm telling you? These big girls, they're after your pocket. And then you go capital and now what? That's very bad though. Very bad of her. Honey, I think I suggest, no, I feel you should start employing all these small girls. Yes, all these girls that just finished secondary school. Those ones will still have the mind of God. They will not be after money or stealing big money like that. I think it's better.
That is it. You are right. In fact, from now on, I will be employing only small girls. That's just the best thing.
I'm telling you. Because every morning you will rush out without taking your breakfast. I don't like it. You know about it, boy. Honey, please. Just the way other people do it. Get sales boys. Boys that will go before you, get everything ready before you come to shop. Biko,
my dear,
you are a big man and it's not good for you. People will be looking at you as if a quadro.
The one of employing small girls, good. That one I will apply it. But employing boys, say no for me. Before they build upstairs on top of my head. I'm telling you, see, it's just that I haven't been lucky to get a very good sales girl. Once I get one, you find out that they are better than 10 men. Honestly. But that's not what I am here for. Do for her you promised in the morning. Is it ready?
I did.
Okay, fire down.
It's
fire
ready.
Down.
Let me microwave it so that it will be hot. No.
Oh.
Hey.
I go.
Amaka, I heard all you've said, and I'm very happy for you. Okay? Congratulations in advance.
Thank you so much, Bro Kenny. He said he'll be here tomorrow to see you people.
It is okay, my dear. But my prayer for you is this. Let a snake that bit your sisters not strike its tail on you.
Brother, I don't understand that proverb.
You know I'm now the head of this family. The father of this family. So I will tell you the truth.
I don't know this one, honestly. I don't know this particular proverb.
I heard it. Kenechukwu, whatever you are looking for in our hands, you will see it. I am ready for you.
Stiffy, he didn't say anything about you.
Shut up. What do you know? Let the snake that bit us not strike its tail on you. Kenechukwu, I am your elder. Forget you are wearing a masculine body. I have seen things more than you.
Amaka, you heard all that you said. Biko, okay?
Okay.
Let your mind be in it. Good night.
Where are you going? So it's a fool talking. My friend, go back. Do your worst this night. You will not enter this house while I'm still talking. My friend, stop there.
No. He's not talking about you, no? Eh?
Hey, you don't talk to me. What do you know? Eh? He's here washing your head. Let what happened to us not happen to you. Come and follow here now. Come and follow here. If you think you're man enough, let me show you that African salad can kill an African man if not well prepared. And more fear.
Stevie, you see this thing? This and here fighting up and down. That's not why I'm here. I've been well packaged for something good tomorrow. So I'm not in for this.
Hey, how dare you? It's well packaged for something good tomorrow. Package it. Lock it up. Sogen obaludi. Idiots. Now Zach Kenechku. Kenechku Zekwe. You see you. Hey. I will show you something in this compound though. I will show you something in this compound. I thought you would pass through here. Telling her, let the snake that beats them not strike its tail on you. Nkegene, man of the house indeed. You are just a man when men are not at home. I'm no fear.
I really have to check this shop. Whether that useless girl did not go away with my things. Huh? All these girls that are not smart, but they are smart thieves.
Let's pray for tomorrow. If only to na here call with it.
Good day. How are you? You want to buy something? We have chandelier, we have spotlight, we have the designers that you people can use.
No, sir. Sir, actually, I'm not here to buy anything. Sir, I came here looking for a job.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Any job, sir. Even if it's sales girl, I can do it, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
And you are sure you can sell all this kind of things?
I can sell it. I can sell everything here. I can sell it, yes. I can sell it.
That's good. You came at the right time and to the right place. Yes. What qualifications do you have?
Sir, I have only OND. I couldn't finish because of financial setbacks. But, sir, that is why I'm here, looking for this job. I need this job.
Really?
Yes, sir.
In fact, when I look at you, you have all the qualifications. Consider yourself having a job right now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Thank you.
You're sure you can sell all this?
I can sell it. Sir, God bless you. Sir, my family and I, we need this job badly. Sir, you will not regret employing me. I will do anything and everything you want just to make you happy. I will do anything you want, sir.
I like the sound of that.
Yes, sir.
You do everything to make me happy.
Yes, sir.
You have a job. In fact, you will start now. You can sell all these things that you are
I can
looking
sell everything, sir.
This is your table. Start work now. This chair is your chair. So
My chair?
Yes, go.
My own chair.
Go. You have it.
Sir. Hey. Sir, my own table, sir.
Yes.
Hey. Sir, God bless you. Hey. Sir, my own table.
Yes, it's your table.
My table, sir. Sir, my table, sir. Hey.
And everything is yours.
You must be very stupid for saying this. Yes, you're very stupid. Don't have sense.
Me?
Yes.
Stupid. Hi, it is you and your family that are stupid.
What is happening? What happened?
Hey, because don't
Can you imagine
touch
this
me.
fool asking me to go sleep with Johnson just to offset the bill I'm owing him? And she even had the guts, the effrontery to ask me if I'm doing runs.
Hey, now, if she can't pay her bills, then she should sleep with him now.
Babe, how can you say a thing like that?
Because don't touch me.
It's not good. Do you encourage girls to pay their bill with their body?
Odima, Sister Mary.
Don't mind her. That is what her sister is doing in the city, and that is what she wants me to do. Listen and listen clearly. You see me, I will never, ever sleep with any man for any reason, just because of money. Did you hear that? Get that into your thick skull.
Ogonna?
Yes.
My sister?
Yes.
Ogonna, my sister.
Everybody knows in the future.
Ogonna.
leave her now. Leave her. Leave her now. Don't fight me, leave her. Hey.
Ewo, Nnam, thank you so much. Hey, please, when will you have chance
what
to
is going
come
on here?
to come the ones at the plantation?
When you are ready, you call me.
What is going on here? My friend, who gave you the permission to cut this in?
It was your sister that asked me to do so.
Meaning what? Yeah?
Nnam.
Let me not see you here again.
Yes, sir.
Nnam,
Ma?
when I'm ready, I will call you.
Okay.
So how much is your money?
You can give me 1,500.
For what?
You know
500 naira, my friend. I know how much
If
they
he
cost
came
from
to Tina, come on.
I will call you when I need you.
Okay. Since you don't want to give me my respect at the first son of this family, you will never gain respect from me. You're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble. You're just looking for my... You're just...
Don't dare me. Don't dare me. Don't dare me. Hey! Hey!
If you try me,
Hey! For this singular act, you have dug your grave in this family.
Let me warn you, this is the last time I will ever see you in any of the plantations again. Both the palm tree and the plantain. I don't want to see you today, unless if you get Meggy, you won't live to survive it.
Otherwise, Guinea. Otherwise, no problem. I can say you want to do boy for me. Bring the palm heads at home. I'll be waiting for you. When we get to the house, we will settle this matter.
I will cut you to pieces now.
You will cut me. You will cut me. Open up blood. If not for blood, open up blood. Like one thing, you zogi here now for. But come home. I have seen that you want to do boy for me.
You will not give my respect again. Since you
can
don't
do
want to give me respect.
That is what you are good at.
As the first son of this family. Since don't okay, also.
Hey, don't worry.
I live around the 40 tips.
I'll be waiting for you. Bring the palm heads.
In any of the plantations, both the palm tree
and the plantain. I am waiting for you at home.
See you there again.
Bring the palm heads. Bring the palm heads at home. Hey!
Don't worry. Don't worry, I'll get you again. You see what I'll do to you.
I've been trying my best to give peace.
Bring the palm heads home. You will come.
I don't want to fight you.
Hey! You just push me down in the bush. Mama! What?
I said he's not around. Go to your house. See the time you are coming to look for a man under hot sun. Go to your house.
Ozima, are we fighting? No, tell me, are we fighting?
You don't know? Hey, I thought you knew. Well, for the sake of your life, avoid this family. You hear me? Avoid my family. You hear me?
Ozioma, what is it? Mama, Ogini, what is it? I only came to see your brother and she started insulting me. Why? What happened?
Tell her to leave now. I don't want to see her. Leave. If this girl is a good girl, is she not supposed to tell Kenneth to stop fighting with his sisters?
You heard what she said. You tell your boyfriend to stop fighting with his sisters. Just Ozioma, that's all. Huh? We want peace.
She cannot even tell him now. Is she nice? Is she nice?
She can.
I don't even have your time. Don't with this girl.
Ozioma.
Naba, oh. You are in my father's house, you are talking. Ozioma, what? Something is wrong with your head, Abby.
Ozioma, today is my marriage day.
It's your marriage day. But Kenneth's matter.
It's okay. I don't want to go and show your madness. Don't show your madness today, Ozioma.
I'm mad. You're calling me a mad woman.
No.
Amaka, you're calling me a mad woman.
No, what I mean is...
You two, you don't have respect,
You should calm down. That's what I mean, no. Just calm down, that's all.
Biko. Don't come and spoil something for me. Biko. I don't like this talk. Yeah, this kind of talk.
It's okay.
Everybody should just mind themselves.
Johnson, please. We don't have money. Just wait. When my sister comes back, she will pay you. We don't have money now.
Ogonna, why do you like talking rubbish? Give me this money here and now. Or you do what I've been asking you to do.
Oh, you and Amaka have been discussing this, Abi. But just even if you want to help me, must you sleep with me?
Ogonna, why are you like this? Why? Pay me this money here. Or you follow me, let us go and enjoy our... See, Ogonna, how much do you think all those useless friends guests in the city have been making? Look, once we do this thing, every debt you owe me, forget it. I can even give you more money, and your mother will be falling sick. I'll be giving you more drugs.
Your own mother that will be falling sick. See, something is wrong with you, Abi. See, what's all this rubbish? You're embarrassing me. We're on the road. What's all this nonsense?
Oh, I'm embarrassing you. Oh, sorry. But you must pay me today, or we remain here. Look at you.
Johnson, it has not got into that now. Calm down. Oh yeah, even if we want to, we can't do it here now. We're on the road. Are you going to sleep with me? Let's go to your house now. Keep my clothes.
You have said this since now. You don't allow me to be talking too much. Look at you. Ogonna. Hey! Ogonna! You're dead!
Baby, this is my sister, your mom.
Hello, my sister. Elder sister. Welcome. Very handsome.
I know.
Welcome. Let me get it here.
Thank you, yes.
Hey.
Ben.
Amaka, you have eyes. This one is very fine.
I know.
Sit down.
Come on, sit.
Sit down, make yourself comfortable. Come and sit.
Don't worry, my elder sister, my brother will soon be back.
I must kill one person. Kanachuku dies me. Kanachuku dies me. In this house. Kanachuku Zaba, in this one day. Today, I am waiting for Kanachuku to come home. Okay, then.
What is it?
Is it not your brother, Kanachuku?
Okay, sister, we have a visitor. My fiance that I told you about.
Yes. Visitor. No. I am waiting for Kanachuku to come back. If you this not, I will chop his head off.
Hi.
Don't worry.
Baby, I don't know what is wrong with my sister. She's not like that at all. She's not like that. I think someone annoyed her. She's a very wonderful person.
I'm a check Kanachuku.
Sister, what is it?
Kanachuku had the mind to take the palm heads from me. Do you know that Kanachuku nearly beat me up because he's a man? I am waiting for Kanachuku to come back to this house.
What? Why will he do that?
Because he is the man of the house. See, if for this house, today.
I don't know who made her to be acting this way. I don't know. But don't worry. Let me go and find out. She's a nice person. She's not like this though. No, she's not like this. I'm coming.
This house will be on fire. I will set this house on fire today. I am waiting for Kenneth to come back. About today. Hey!
Nobody is setting anywhere on fire. Sister, please. Biko.
Let's all pretend. My husband to be is here. Let's not scare him away, Biko.
Pretend what? Amaka, that is not my business. I don't care. My business is to show Kanachuku what I can do in this house.
God, why?
You see Kanachuku? Hey.
Why me? Oh, God, why me? God, why me? Oh, why am I a member of this family? My friend, will you shut up your mouth? You two hear what Ekene did? Hey! We're waiting for him. Don't worry yourself. This is not fair. So this is your plans and agenda, where?
It's only where Kenechuku's sisters are. He can show power. His manly.
Let him come now. You come here. Why am I a member of this family?
Once a member, always a member.
What kind of boy?
What
kind of boy is this?
It's my marriage you're talking about.
Shut up your mouth and say something important. You're saying marriage. Shut up your mouth.
Hey! Ogonna, come out here. Come out here and pay me my money. Look at you, idiot. Ogonna, if you didn't come out here now, I'll start to destroy everything I see in this compound. Come out here, Ogonna. Come out here, Ogonna. Come out, oh.
My son, what is it?
Mama, please, I'm not here for you. Tell Ogonna to come out here now and pay me. Or she will give me what I've been asking her to give me.
What did you ask her to do?
Oh, Mama, Ogonna must pay me today. Yes, this village will not contain both of us.
Why not calm down for us? We'll pay you this morning.
Ogonna, come out here. Oh. You're in there. Come out here, Ogonna. Come out here. Oh.
Justin, I'm here. Do that thing you want to do.
Eh? Ogonna, oh, you went and changed and won it for me, Abby?
That's your business. Mama, Johnson wants to rape me.
Hey!
Yes.
Ah, Johnson! So he wants to defly over my daughter because of ordinary 2,500 naira, Johnson.
Mama, she's a liar. She's lying, Johnson.
How am I lying? Am I denying the fact that I'm owing you?
Are you not owing me?
See, Justin, if before I come through, I will scream the whole villagers together here for us. So leave this place.
You're lying now. I want to rape you.
I said she live here.
Okay, I will go, but I'll be back. Ogonna, pay me my money. Don't worry, in this village.
Say rubbish.
Ogonna, me.
Justin, you cannot do anything.
In this village. Ogonna, tell him. Tell him, Ogonna.
Mama, it's okay.
This is too bad.
Mama, it's okay now. Don't do this. It's okay. Let him come and take the money. Let me see him now. Abi, if something is wrong with you, come and take the money. Rubbish. Mama, it's okay. Let's enter inside.
This is very bad.
Ordinary 2.5. Somebody will not hear what say. Come and take the money now. Useless boy. Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Baby. No.
I was at your place earlier today.
Well, sorry. I went to get these things from the farm. Do you know that getting there, I saw Ify, my elder sister, harvesting my palm head.
Chineke mo. She climbed?
No, she asked one boy to cut it down for her. Can you imagine this kind of person?
Can you imagine? Babe, let me tell you. Do you know I was at your place earlier today? And Ozema started insulting me. Can you imagine?
For real?
Honestly, I was even shocked myself.
See, that's why I behave the way I behave to them. Very soon, I'm going to evacuate them from that house. Everybody.
It's okay, just take it easy with them. Yeah?
Babe, where do I keep it? I want to keep it here and come back and collect it later.
Mama, good afternoon.
Mama, good afternoon. No, nothing serious. I came to keep this palm head here. I'll come and collect it later.
Oh, will you shut up your mind? Will you take that rubbish away from my compound?
Mama, what is it now?
Will you keep quiet, Tutuacha? See, Norma, we might end up having serious problem that you not like this afternoon. See, anyway, your brothers will soon be here and sort you out. Then for you, Kenny, before I close my eyes and open it again, just remove this rubbish away from my compound. If you don't want me to give you the insult of your life, are you still waiting? Take it away from my compound. Nonsense.
Babe.
Why is your mother behaving like this to me? She's been so hostile to me. Why?
Babe, I'm sorry. Please, don't be angry.
It's okay.
So where are you going to?
It's okay. Let me take you to Chess house.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'll be fine. Oh?
Babe, don't take it personal.
It's okay. It's okay, my dear.
Baby.
It's okay, oh?
Mama now, Oginidi. Mama. Mama, what is all this now? Mama, why are you so hostile on Ekene? Why?
Because I don't want him to marry you. Simple.
Mama, why? Mama, Ekene has been useful during my school days. He has been useful to this family. When your sons has nothing, Ekene was there for them. He left from the city to the village when his father died. And ever since then, he has not stopped helping this family.
Norma, Ekene will not marry you. If you like, preach to me from today till tomorrow. Anyway, I'll send for your brothers. They're coming from the city. And they will bundle you from here back to the city. And this Ekene morning, Ekene afternoon, Ekene night will end. I'll have my peace.
Oh, Mama, really? Okay, then watch me do the unbelievable.
Give me! You can't do anything. I'm equal to the task.
It's so... Wakene, welcome.
How are you? Who do we have here?
Wakene, this is my fiance. And this is my brother, my elder brother, Kene, and the man of the house. He's now my father too.
No, you're welcome. Come, brother. No. Have you given him any cola? Should we cola or something?
No.
Why now?
You were here. I was waiting for you as the man of the house to give you cola.
It makes sense. I'm here now.
You are back. I told you that I am waiting for you to come back.
Sister, take it easy. It's okay. If you're near me, I will slap you. Come on, guys, sit down.
Can't you see we have visitor?
Visitor. I have said welcome before, yeah? Don't worry. Very soon, you'll be used to us.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Stop this. Stop this. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Get out of here. Shame on you. Baby, please. I'm so sorry. You know, it's just mere family issue. You understand, right?
Amaka, I think I have to go.
No. It's just normal family issue. You have a family too.
I don't think so.
You do.
This is how you people fight every day in the house. I have to go. If you see me again, fine. If you don't.
No.
I don't want to deceive you, please. I have to go.
No, you can't go. You can't possibly go. You know, I'm sorry. Don't worry. It's just a mere family issue. Let's sort it out. Oh, I won't let you go. Please. I'm sorry.
Two of you should leave my cloth. Just leave me alone. You guys, you want to spoil something for Amaka?
Who cares?
Okay.
Ekene, asking you who cares? Because the last time I checked, Achoromema, I don't care. We will tell you that we are humans. Okay, for again. Hey, you must give me my own share of our father's property.
Bam! You will give us. You will give us. If not, anything that will happen.
It's not
possible.
You will give us.
You will give us.
Can I tell you that African salad can kill an African man? If not well prepared,
you will give us. But I will not do it.
Give us.
I will not give you anything.
You will do it.
That's my inheritance. You spoil something for Amaka.
Who cares?
Amaka, come and take your sister to us. Amaka, come and take your sister to us.
Anything I want to happen, let it happen.
Leave it. Come on. Leave it.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Baby, please don't go. Baby, I beg you. No. You can't go. You can't go. No, I'm not going to let you go. I won't let you go. I'm sorry.
I've been trying my best to give peace a chance. I don't want to fight you. You believe, can believe. I believe, but you forgot. One name, oh, I come with your child. I'm beginning to melody, oh, I come with your child. I'm beginning to melody, oh.
I'll kill you.
Get me.
Come on.
Do it. Try it.
I know how much I bought it. It's one of my inheritance. It's one of my inheritance.
Which inheritance?
This house is mine.
Whose house is my father's house?
Everything is mine. You are my inheritance. You should go and marry. I will not give you any land.
You will give us.
Don't tamper. Go and marry. I get a weaver. I
This is my inheritance. This is my inheritance. It's part of my inheritance.
In this house, you don't have respect for me. Oh, I will not be here talking it with you people. I will not be alone here talking it with you. I'm going. I'm coming.
Go! Shut up! Everybody shut up! I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Go! Shut up! What's wrong with you? I said shut up! Are you okay? What's wrong with you? You dare not tell me to shut up! Shut up! Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Shut up! You dare not tell me to shut up! I'm not happy. Are you okay? I am not happy. It's like you don't know that I am mad. I am mad. If you think you have Mercedes-Benz running in your head, my own is private jet. For sending my fiance away, I will burn down this house. Burn it! I burn this house. Burn it!
You burn my house now?
You can't even behave like adults. I do not care who is senior and who is not senior anymore. For sending my sister away, my woman here.